We tell the man Neil. We tell the man Neil to roll the window up. The police were right outside the window. Man Neil want to play jokes and games and shit. Talking about, oh, y'all scared of the police? Now, motherfucker, yeah, nigga, roll the fucking window up. So he don't roll the window up. Now he want to be friends. Fuck you, nigga. Now the police done pulled us over, smelled the weed. There is no more. It's all gone. We told them that. So we outside right now. The driver, oh, they cut the lights off. Wonderful. And they got us out here talking about they gonna search our shit. They look like Trump supporters. I'm scared to death. Yeah, I mean, man, the saga continue, man. I'll let you know how this shit turn out. now the driver then got a whole goddamn recipe book worth of tickets. They goddamn giving him tickets for his motherfucking expired library books he had out in middle school. Look at them, they writing, but they giving them the business. Look at that. Hey, look at it. They giving him a firm talking to. What the hell are you doing with those creeps? You know what I'm saying? I sure hate it, but better than a bullet.